What's up everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A22 headphone jack or earphones not working problem. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix headphone jack or earphone not working problem in Samsung Galaxy A22, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.